me? Did you complete yesterday video? Any questions? In that video, did I teach command line arguments based project development? I mean, reading student values. Yeah. Last class, we were discussing about reading all values from the keyboard and the different test cases we have practiced. Okay. And then meta characters we are discussing, we'll discuss. I will complete meta characters. Can you try to develop this code now? Can you develop this code now? Sample project. Develop a program to create real world object student in a programming world. Read student values from command line and store inside its instances and display values on console. You must read below values: student number, student name, course fee, email, mobile, gender, and studying. Write down this question. Write down. We will try to develop this project, and I'll come to meta characters later. If question completed, let me know. We'll go for next point. Okay. I'm not going to develop. I want you develop. Okay, tell me, if you want to run this program, command and arguments application program, first you should have an idea how to run this program, right? Okay, you cannot write just normal program Java like college, right? You have to pass inputs from the command line. So first you should have an idea on command, how many values you are reading, in which order you are reading, right? You must know in which order, how many values you are reading, in which order you are reading, you should know. So now this first you should concentrate on the command Java college, student number 101, student name Buji, course core Java, fee 1000, email, and a male, gender, and studying. So this is the order you are entering on the console. Then in that order, you must read values in the program. 101 you read as arcs of 0, arcs of 1, arcs of 2, arcs of 3, arcs of 4, arcs of 5, arcs of 6, and arcs of 7. Are you catching my point? Guys, tomorrow can I take class for you? Uh, I think I need to take class for 11 a.m. batch students. Okay. Okay, I cannot take class for this Sunday for you. Next Sunday I will plan, okay? Okay, na? This Sunday I cannot take class for you. For 11 a.m. batch I need to take. Next Sunday we will plan, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, write that comment. Write that comment, please. Yesterday, no class. Completed, huh? Can you write code now yourself? Please write code yourself. Are you writing code, buddy? When I run Java college, what are the steps has to be happen background? Student class object must create, read values from end user from console, store those values in above student object instance, read and display values from the student instance. These are 4 steps you have to do. Try. Please write program. Completed? Huh? So this is the diagram. First you have to create student class with required number of variables. Then in the college class main method, you must create student object and then next lines of the code. I'm just giving clues. I'm just helping you. I'm just helping you to write code. I'm not going to write code. I want you write completely. Try, expecting you to try. If everything I am writing you are copying, you do nothing. You will become zero. Are you writing or not? No one is responding. Why you are silent? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. I'll wait. Yeah. Try. I'll wait, try. So this is what final template I want you to write. Yeah. Good. Yeah, Subhash Babu, right. Like that only you need to write. Write down. I'll wait. Don't use try catches. Okay, we are not we are write try catch. No try catches. Madhav, parse exception method not reading any value, now why it will throw exception? Value from console. That's why we need to write throws keyword. Parse exception method not reading any value from anywhere, right? You are giving value to it. Yeah, first you need to write student class. This is student class. Check once. Have you written same way? How mobile can be int? It's a 15 digit number, 12 digit number. If you have done any mistakes, please correct it. Then next, college class. Now for you to create student object. Student as one equal new student. You want to store all values in a student object. If you have done any mistake, please correct mistakes. Okay. Don't keep silently. Don't look at. Then I'm writing a message. Student instance is created for storing given student values. Then reading values from command line. And storing storing student instance values. Okay. Then how to read values from command line? By using args of 0, args of 1, args of 2, args of 3, args of 4, args of 5, okay, and args of 6. What is args of 6? Character, gender. Gender, how can I read character? We cannot read character directly like character dot parse char, right? We should use args of 6 dot caret of 0. Then boolean, same, boolean dot parse boolean args of 7. This is where you need to read values from command line. Okay, if you have not written properly, please copy, please write down program. So daily you are writing this type of programs only, nothing more. Completed? Huh? Why you are using br.readline buddy? I ask you to read by using command line. Na? Why you are using buffer reader? Rati? Rati, I ask you use command line arguments. No, why you use buffer reader? If you use accessibility modifier, how can I read value? How can I access variables? Smriti Gopi. If you have to access variables, there should not be accessibility modifiers. Na? If I don't use any accessibility modifier, default accessibility modifier is private, default, right? Yeah, you can use public, no problem. Displaying all values. Did you understand why I'm using /t /t? For placing colon all variables colon in the same line, just for alignment. Completed? So how to compile the, so you compile college.java, both the dot class files are generated. Then Java college, you can pass any values as you like. Okay, let me run this program, okay? Open command prompt. Okay, tell me if I run Java college, will it executed or not? No, because college class is expecting arguments. Args of 0 valid is expecting, na? So it will throw array index out of bounds exception. No problem for student object creation. Now problem for args of 0. So we need to pass arguments. Okay, can I pass argument whichever the order I like, 101, okay, 201, okay, whatever the order I like, can I pass? Can I pass numbers and text however I like? You will get number format exception because parse method we're expecting some correct value. Okay, if you pass wrong values, it will throw error. So tell me, when you are running command line arguments application, what are the rules we need to follow? You must pass number of values equal to number of values we are reading and in the same order we are reading. So you should first of all know the command for reading the values. Okay. Otherwise, we'll get array index out of bounds exception or number format exception. Now look at this, there is no exception. All values are reading, stored in the program and read from the program and displaying on console. Okay, na? Guys, if you want me to remove from the class, you can disturb the class. If you want to learn silently. If you want me to remove from the class, you can disturb class. Are you catching my point? Okay, hope all you people got clarity on this. How to develop a command line arguments application for reading primitive values from the keyboard to perform mathematical values, or reading values from the keyboard to perform business object values. I mean, business operation, storing values in object, reading values from the object. Okay, this is a command line arguments application, two ways. Tell me, this application can create student object to initialize only Hari Krishna? Can it work with Balai Babu? Can it work with Ponkalan Babu? Can it work with Prabhas Babu? Any Babus can be stored, na? So because it's a dynamic application, where I need to change values on console. On console, if you change values like, okay, 1 or 2, now earlier we got HK, now I'm changing to BK, core Java to acting 500, and his name is mail ID, no mail at gmail.com, and the number is also my number, mail true. Right, now look at that. Now the student object is created with Balai Babu values. So this application is dynamic application. Okay, next question. Now what are the problems with the command line arguments application? I hope these are all the points there in the video, right? End user don't get information that he must enter values. See, end user will take this application and directly will run what? Java college. He don't know that he has to enter value. Then he got exception. Next, end user don't get information about how many values he should enter. Now I come to know I should enter values. How many I should enter? And next, which type of values I should enter, and in which order I must enter, there is no information. And in the middle of the program execution started. For example, I entered 4 values. 5th value required. In the middle of the program execution, we cannot enter values. We must enter all values before program execution itself. So it's a difficulty for the end user. So tell me, command line arguments application, is it suitable for developing to end user applications? No. Command line arguments application is suitable only for quick testing purpose for the developer. For the developer, he want to pass quick input and a quick testing. Okay, for end user applications, command line arguments application is a bad approach. Okay, for only for end user point of view, it is good. Okay, then solution for command line arguments application problem, we must use buffer reader class, right? So using buffer reader class, we can read values at the beginning or in the middle at end of the program execution. It means while program execution, whenever we need input values, there we can read values from the end user. And while reading inputs, we can display proper message to end user to provide information about how many values to enter, what type of values enter, which order the values must be entered. Hence, end user will have proper communication for the application to enter values directly. Tell me, in this video, did I teach rewriting this project by using buffer reader? I didn't remember. Yesterday I shared a video, na? In that video, did I? So this is the yesterday video I have shared, right? This yesterday video. In that video, that project I explained. Have you tried that project? Rewrite using buffer reader. Have you? Did I rewrite? Did I show you the code? In that video, did I show you code? Did I show you code there? Okay. Did you all understand what are the changes? Tell me, from command line arguments to buffer reader, what is change? Command line arguments application, we enter values at command line. Buffer reader application, we don't enter at command line. During program execution, we are entering. Right? During program execution, we are entering. So which is comfortable to the user? Okay, buffer reader is comfortable to the user. Okay, and if you take college class, right? College class, we need to enter all values one after one in the command line. Whereas buffer reader, if we take, it is we are entering one by one. First, it is asking enter student number, enter student name. I no need to remember which order I'm loading inside object. Now reading runtime values by using buffer reader. Okay, this is the command line arguments application. Now buffer reader changes what? First, no values entered at command line. Then whenever run the program, it is prompting message enter first number. I enter number, press enter. Then enter second number, press enter. And then now it coming result. So what are the changes we done in the program? First, we need to add import statement, IO package import statement. Then we should create buffer reader object. Then first we should prompt message enter first number. Then args of 0 place br.readline. But any change in parsing method? No. br.readline wise also, the values are coming from keyboard as what values? String only. Values are coming as string only. Okay, got clarity? Yeah? So that string value should convert it to primitive value by using parsing method. Okay, second number br.readline. How many times I should create buffer reader object? One time. Using that connection, I should keep read values. Readline method can read value only if the connection is available. If a connection is not available, it cannot read. It will throw exception. That exception we must handle throws IO exception. So these are the changes, and this is the memory diagram. I have explained what is happening with that diagram, and more in detailed explanation I given with this diagram in that video. Okay, and then case I am passing 10, 20, result is 30. I'm passing, other values string A. No command line argument, array index out of bonus exception will not get. Will get only number format exception. Okay, and I'm passing 10.0 number format exception. I'm not passing any value. Then we'll get number format exception for the empty string. So these are the test cases. I hope you have learned from buffer reader. Then now, command line arguments application to buffer reader application differences. Values are entered in command line before execution start. Values are entered in console screen while execution. Values are passed through string array object. Values are passed through buffer reader object. String array object is created automatically by JVM with the given values, but buffer reader object you must create by passing system.in explicitly. We must read values from string array by using args of 0, args of 1, but we must read values from buffer reader by using br.readline. We no need to handle any exception. We must handle IO exception for buffer reader line, br.readline. We cannot read values in the middle of the program execution and user will not have any information. We can read values in the middle of the program execution by providing proper info about values. Hence, command line arguments application is not suitable for end user to read values to enter values, whereas buffer reader application is suitable for reading and entering values from console from end user. Okay. So read allow student college project to read and store student values by using buffer.
We're from Bluehost, and this
So these are
is
the problem
recommendations
points we have
only,
learned.
Rohit.
And now
Hi,
we
he's
need
a
to enter
blogger,
into the next
and
point.
everything he
Problems of buffer reader, advantages
comes
of scanner
recommended.
class. But before that, in buffer reader object creation, we have used system.in. So what is that system.in? Why I need system.in connecting to new input stream reader? Why I need new input stream reader to buffer reader? Why directly I cannot use system.in? So we have completed command line. We have completed buffer reader. But before buffer reader, we have two more approaches. That is system.in.read, buffer reader, data input stream.readline method. Okay. So those are two topics following by problems of buffer reader, and why scanner class came. These points I need you to follow. I need you to watch. Can you watch video? Or you want me to spend the time? Can you spend time by your own? Once I have explained in this video. So today and tomorrow, expecting all the people finish these two videos. First video already you watched. If any of you have not watched, please watch today. Complete today and tomorrow. Monday, I will explain you scanner continuation. Okay. Monday, I'll explain you scanner continuation. So the second video, scanner introduced and one program explained. In a scanner, we have some problems. Okay, scanner following by console. Okay, scanner following by console and then following by system properties and all. I will explain you on Monday. Okay, Monday I will complete this chapter. Can you please watch that second video, buddy? Now onwards you continue, or tomorrow you continue, your wish. So that's all for today class, and we'll meet you on Monday. Tomorrow no class for your batch. I need to take your seniors batch. Next Sunday onwards we'll concentrate, and I will come every Sunday I will take class. I need to take half an hour, right? Every day we are missing half an hour. Actually, our class timing is 2 hours, na? Every day I'm missing half an hour. So I need to cover 6 half an hours. How much? 3 hours. So that 3 hours class we'll see on every Sunday. Okay. Every Sunday I'll take 3 hours class for you. So that probably from next Sunday I'm expecting. So get ready for that. Thank you everyone. See you on Monday. Bye. Practice that video and come.